Hello guys, welcome back to Wonder Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we're in a place called North Acton in the London Borough of Ealing in West London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so drone's up in the sky. Why does it sound like that? Oh, I guess the wind just picked up a little bit. I mean, it didn't say it was going to be windy today, but yeah, today's a nice sunny day. And yeah, we're just going to do a quick drone flight. I don't know why it's windy. I checked the weather app. It's literally not windy at all. It's 10-mile-an-hour winds. I'm not sure where the wind came from, but it even says on my screen, strong wind warning. That was unexpected. Yeah, I don't know where this wind came from, but see, the weather in this country, unpredictable, literally. Well, what we're going to do, we're just going to just zip around, just get some nice drone flight. And yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you, I've got a second battery, DJI Mini 4 battery for my Mini 3 Pro, because it's got a little bit more capacity. And the good thing about having a second battery is that I can just quickly swap and do my next drone flight without me having to charge it at the power bank. And it's really convenient for me to have. So I've actually got a new battery in the drone right now, so I'm flying it with the new battery just to test it out. I'm just going to see how long it lasts, but with this wind it might not be accurate now. Oh, and as a result we can't do the 360 photo. Like sometimes the gimbal moves around for the 360 photo. See, when doing a drone flight you don't expect the weather. I might do it at the end because it might be less windy. So we're just going to just zip around. I wanted to go to this little building. I flew in Acton before, but we're in North Acton today, so yeah, we're just going to go down here. We're going to just zip around and explore this area down here. Where's the wind coming? I don't even know where this wind's coming from, but because of that I can't send my drone as far because I don't need to struggle with the wind. So it's going to just zip around. We're just going to go around this building over here. I don't know how long of a battery I might get now, because I wanted to test this new battery, but with this wind it might not be accurate now. See, this wind is still, it's not going away, and it makes no sense. Look at that, there's a construction going on there. So the drone's struggling to like come back with this wind. See, look, it's battling the wind. I might have to wait for the wind to subside. But what we're going to do now, we're just going to get a tour of these buildings right over here. So look at that, nice tour of the building right over here. Look at that, insane. See, this wind's getting stronger now. It wasn't even that strong before. It's weird, it makes no sense. It wasn't even strong when I came here. So look how slow it's coming back, 4 miles an hour. See, I don't want to risk going that far. If I went further I might struggle. So what we're going to do, we're just going to get a tour down here. Let's get a shot of this crane as well. Look at that crane. See, the drone's come back really slowly. We would have struggled. We wouldn't have not had enough miles to come back. I hope this wind actually stops soon, because we can't fly like this. It's like it's a windy day. You know, it was windy every day, and today it said it was calm. I'm not sure if the weather app is accurate. I don't know how it literally just turned out like this. It's like it's a windy day, like 20 miles an hour, but the app says it's 10 miles an hour wind, which is strange. Maybe it's just this area. I always wait for days where it's sunny and also no wind at all. But unfortunately, it's windy. You know what, let's fly lower, because I think the reason why the drone's struggling is because the drone's really high in the sky. And the higher it's in the sky, the more it's going to struggle. The winds are stronger up there. It's not even that strong down here. Like, let's check out the railway. There's an Elizabeth line that runs through here. Acton mainline station, which is right here. Let's get a tour of that. See, the wind is calmed down now. I might do a 360 photo. Or I do it at the end now. So you've got the railway line. Let's see if there's any trains coming. See, the wind just picked up again. See that? It's really like volatile. But you know what? Let's just. It's displaying a wind warning again. What we'll do? We'll go down here. It is a nice day though. So there's no wind now. I think it's finally stopped. Because I'm planning to fly somewhere else. I'm trying to make use of this 2-battery system. So I finally got 2 batteries. See, the wind just picked up again. Now we're just. It's just picked. It's volatile. You know, half of this drone flight's me complaining about the wind. Let's just fly normally. That's the Elizabeth line train. We'll just stay static because the wind is like. So that's a fast train. And it looks to be the Heathrow Express. And then over here we got a freight train. Look at that. Really interesting. Freight trains are known to be really long. Look how long it is, look. It goes all the way down here. That's actually insane. That's unbelievable. See, I wanted to test this Mini 4 battery. The wind's not going to make it an accurate test now. I wanted to see how much better it was from the Mini 3 Pro. But the wind has a factor now. Look at that. Insane. We get a shot of the area down here, which is the Acton mainline area. It is a decent drone flight though. And I really want to get this 360 photo done. But I don't know how long this wind will last. It might just be a gust that we might get over. Hopefully we'll get over this gust. There's a lot of construction going on here. It was the same case when I flew in. Oh, there's another place up here. Let's go down here. So look, there's a place with a lot of things down here. See, there's a central line train. You know what, let's not go too far. I just realised the wind might make the drone difficult to come back. I wanted to fly there, but you know, let's just go a little bit closer to there, but not actually to there, because we don't want to risk the drone not coming back. That's how people lose their drones. Flying in wind and flying far. We're not going to go far, we're just going to stay in this area. Look at that, insane. It's basically like an industrial area. See, the wind's quite strong now. We're not going to go that much further. We're not going to proceed further than this. I really wanted to get a shot of this though, but it's kind of tempting to get a shot. But we're not going to be able to do it because the drone's going to struggle. And it already is struggling. So I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to come back. To be honest, this field is really big, so it's not too bad. Let's get a last shot of this area. Look at this nice little neighborhood area. I'm gonna help the drone out by going towards it so it don't waste that much battery. See, it's struggling a lot. The drone's barely moving. So if I go towards it, we'll just fly around in this area then. See, there's a bus coming here. We're only getting at 10 miles an hour. And with that 10 miles an hour movement, we're burning the battery twice as fast. So it's not really a risk that I want to take. Because we're going in headwind. Let's get a last shot of this railway lines. And if we come back, we're going to come back in tailwind anyway, so it ain't too bad. But you know what, the drone battery did last long than if I use my mini 3 battery in the wind, so I think look at that, it's a brand new battery as well, which is another factor. My mini 3 battery that I've been using, it's had over 100 charge cycles. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to land the drone now. I'm just going to land it here. Nice little drone flight. Oh, I wanted to do a 360 photo. You know what? Let's do a quick one just before we land. Drone's right here now. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in North Acton in the London borough of Ealing. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight and I'll speak to you in the next one. And it's just my luck, the wind just ended as I finished the drone flight. I should have just waited. I kind of regret it. So anyway guys, I'm going to end this drone flight now. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.